In this problem, we have to calculate the value of minus 1 to power 2 minus 1 upon pi. To calculate this, we have to use Euler's formula, as we know that A Euler's constant power AI is equals to cos of A plus I sin A. If A equals to pi, this becomes e to power pi I equals to cos of pi plus I sin pi, which is equals to cos pi is minus 1 plus I multiply sin pi is 0, is equals to minus 1. So e to power pi I equals to minus 1. Now substitute this value of e to power pi I equals to minus 1 into this equation. So this equation simplifies to e to power pi I to power 2 minus 1 divided by pi. This can be simplified to e to power pi I to power 2 pi minus 1 divided by pi. As this term is in the form of e to power n, so it is equals to power m multiplied n. So by using this rule, this term can be simplified to e to power pi I multiply 2 pi minus 1 divided by pi. So this pi to this pi cancels out. So this simplifies to e to power I multiply 2 pi minus 1, which is equals to e to power 2 pi I multiply e to power minus I. Now solve e to power 2 pi I as this rule. So this becomes cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi bracket close multiply e to power minus I, so which is equals to, as we know this, cos 2 pi is 1 plus sin 2 pi is 0, I multiply 0 multiply e to power minus I. So here this is 0, this is 1, so we got 1 multiply e to power minus I, which is equals to e to power minus I, or it can be written as 1 divided by e to power I. So this is our answer. So minus 1 to power 2 minus 1 divided by pi is going to be equals to 1 divided by e to power I.